Hi, Lori Whitlock here. I want to show you really quick how to prepare my extreme pop-up cards to cut in Cricut Design Space. The first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and click or select all of the artwork, right click and ungroup. And you can also get to the ungroup option at the top of the layers panel here. So in order to use the solid score lines, which I've started including in many of my newer files, you're going to select that again and ungroup it as again. So then you'll grab that line and change the line style to score. Okay, so we need to select that line and the card, so I'm going to use Shift and click on each of those pieces and then attach them together. So that piece is now ready to go. Welcome Baby needs to be flattened so that it will print and then cut. So we're going to click Flatten. Okay, so all of those pieces are ready to go. We need to get this long piece here ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and move the package pieces out of the way so that they're not overlapping. I'm going to select that long strip and go ahead and ungroup that again. And I want to select those three lines and then select score for my line type. And then I'm going to select all those pieces and go ahead and attach them together. Okay, so now I just need to work on these two print and cut pieces down at the bottom. So again, we're going to go ahead and ungroup them. We want to access these lines and then go ahead and change the line type to score. Let's go ahead and do that for our other piece as well. Right click and ungroup. Click off of the piece and then click just the lines and score. Okay, so now I'm going to send the white card base to the back so that I can see all my graphics again. So just select the white card base and send to back. Now I want to select the card base and the graphics and make sure you don't have these lines selected, okay? So just the card base, whoops, I'm going to undo that, and the graphics. So what I like to do is just select a tiny little bit of the card base and like one of the tips of the stars. And then we'll go ahead and flatten that. And then we'll send it to the back and now we can see our score lines and then we'll go ahead and attach. So you have to be sure to flatten and then attach, because if you do it in the opposite manner, it will not work. So again, let's grab a little piece of that star and the card base and then click flatten. And then let's go ahead and send that to the back. It looks like actually I lost one of my stars, so I'm going to undo that. Okay, I'm just going to grab, and I'm going to undo that again. I'm just going to drag across a piece of my star and card base and click flatten. And then we've got our little star now. Let's send that to the back. See how our little star is showing. And then let's grab the score lines and the card base and click attach. And we are now ready to go ahead and click make it. So you can see that that gives us our score. We're going to print and then we're going to score and then we're going to cut. Print, score, cut on those first two. And then we're going to score and cut on the next page. And then we're going to score and cut on this page as well. And then we've got all of our cute little colored embellishments and covering panels on all the next mats. So you're ready to go ahead and click make it and follow the instructions to get all the pieces cut out for this cute card. Have a great day and we'll see you next time.